Hello, we are from Wilmet Ultrasound Training Institute. Today we will give a short demo of a simulator. Now, simulator, what is simulator is? Simulator is an ultrasound machine with a patient. I am repeating, ultrasound machine with a patient, where this patient will behave like a patient with a pathology, whatever you want. Now, for example, if you will come to my clinic, what I will be doing, I will be scanning a patient. In this patient, for example, I am having a retroverted uterus. In next patient, I am having an ovarian cyst. And in next patient, I am having maybe a normal. Now you want to see maybe an ectopic pregnancy. Where from I will get the patient of ectopic pregnancy? If you will sit maybe a 6 months or even 1 year, I may get one ectopic pregnancy or may not get even one ectopic pregnancy. Now this simulator will behave like an ectopic pregnancy. If you want an ectopic pregnancy, we will set it. We will set a pathology over here, and this will behave like an ectopic pregnancy. A real patient with ectopics. You don't want to see an ectopic pregnancy, you want to see a fluid in the cul-de-sac. We will set the pathology, POD fluid, how much, mild, severe, moderate. This will behave like a POD fluid. Like we want to see an ectopic pregnancy. We have set this simulator for ectopic pregnancy. This is probe. This is that probe what you are using over there, and this is the patient, and this is your monitor over here. Now over here I am having a beautiful diagram also where the anatomy is shown, where from the beam is cut, and this is the resultant image. Now I am having an ectopic pregnancy over here. So scan tens of times. Practice this ectopic pregnancy on this simulator. This will never get exhausted. I can even change the pathology. Text pathology, maybe a Dandy-Walker malformation. We will now set it for Dandy-Walker malformation. So this is the ectopic gestational sac over here. Now we have set this simulator for Dandy-Walker's malformation. Now this simulator, this patient will behave like a Dandy-Walker malformation. We will see all the things which we require to diagnose the Dandy-Walker's malformation in this patient.
So when it comes to the benefits of simulation, we can work on any of the normal scan to any pathological scan. And one more benefit is that our simulator never get exhausted. You can practice as much as you want and as much as your pathological terms you can work.
This is a US-based technology which is specially designed for a learning purpose. In this, you will have more than 1400 pathologies which you can change as per your requirement.
So, Wilmet is having online and in-campus both the programs. We have this simulator at 7 different states all over the India. So, you can choose your nearest location for this clinical attachment for the practicing. Thank you.